One. Now we are going to discussion about class 9th Peninsula Plateau of India topic. Today topic is Peninsula Plateau of India, and I have 50 question to discussion about it. And let's start it now. Here the first question is, let me explain the first question. What is given here? The Peninsula Plateau is the dash. The Peninsula Plateau is the dash. The Peninsula Plateau is the dash. The Peninsula Plateau Yongfold Mountain, that is Himalaya. The Peninsula Plateau is a oldest landmass of India. It is the oldest landmass of India. So its answer will be B. Answer will be B. Moving on the second number question. What is the question number is given? What the question give here? The Peninsula Plateau is mainly made of dash. The Peninsula Plateau is mainly made of dash. It is made of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Answer will be B. Answer will be B. What is the answer? Answer will be B. Its answer will be igneous and metamorphic. Okay. Now moving on the third number question. The highest peak of the Peninsula Plateau. The highest peak of the Peninsula Plateau is dash. The highest peak of Peninsula Plateau is this. This is Anai Modi. Peninsula Plateau. This is Anai Modi. Answer will be B. Answer will be B. Now moving on the question. Moving on the question number 4. The Peninsula Plateau is divided into. The Peninsula Plateau is divided into two types. The answer will be B. Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Now moving on the another questions. Question number 5. Which river separate the Central Highland from the Deccan Plateau? Which river separate Central Highland from the Deccan Plateau? Let's see here. Answer will be B. Narmada. Narmada river is divided Central Highland to Deccan Plateau. Okay. Answer will be B. Now moving on the question number 6. The Deccan Plateau is located in dash. The Deccan Plateau is located in dash. Deccan Plateau located in south of Narmada. It is south of Narmada. B. Answer will be B. The Deccan Plateau is located south of Narmada. Now moving on the question number 7. The Aravalli hills are found in. It is found in Rajasthan. Aravalli hills is found in Rajasthan. Let's see. Its answer will be B. Aravalli mountain is found in Rajasthan. Let's moving on the question number 8. The Malwa Plateau is located. It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Malwa Plateau is located in Madhya Pradesh. Answer will be B. Now moving on the question number 9. Which mountain range lies along the western edge of the Deccan Plateau? The western edge of the Deccan Plateau. Question number 9. Answer will be B. Western Ghat. It is Western Ghat. Which mountain range lies along the western edge of the Deccan Plateau? That is Western Ghat. Okay. Moving on the question number 10. Eastern Ghat are dash continuous, discontinuous snow and fold mountain. It is discontinue mountain. Eastern Ghat is a discontinue mountain. Okay. Now moving on the question number 11. The oldest mountain range in India. The oldest mountain range in India. Himalaya, Western Ghat, Aravalli Range, Satpura Range. Answer will be C. The oldest mountain will be Aravalli. Aravalli mountain is oldest. Aravalli mountain is oldest. Okay. Now moving on the another questions. Question number 12. The Aravalli hills are mainly located. The Aravalli hills are mainly located. Is it located Gujarat, Rajasthan, Odisha, Bihar? It is located Rajasthan. Aravalli is located in Rajasthan. Moving on the question number 13. What is given here? The Central Highland include. The Central Highland include this. Malwa Plateau and then after Meghalaya Plateau, Karnataka Plateau, Nilgiri Plateau. The Central Highland Plateau answer will be A. Malwa Plateau. It is Malwa Plateau. Moving on the question number 14. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is famous for dash. Tea plantation, cotton farming, mineral source and coconut. Chota Nagpur is famous for C. Mineral resource. It is famous for mineral resource. Moving on the question number 15. The Chota Nagpur plateau is mainly located in. It is located in Kerala, Punjab, Jharkhand, Haryana. It is located in Jharkhand. Which state? Located in Jharkhand. Now moving on the another question. Now see another question number 16. Deccan Trap was formed to dash. Deccan Trap was formed to dash earthquake, volcanic lava flow, river erosion, glacier. It is B. Answer will be B, and answer will be B, that is volcanic lava plate. Moving on the question number 17. The black cotton is mainly found in. The black cotton is found northern plain, coastal plain, Deccan plateau, Himalaya. It is found in Deccan plateau. Answer will be C, Deccan plateau. Okay. Now moving on the question number 8. What is given here? The Eastern Ghat are also known as Purvanchal, Sahyadris, Nilgiris, Vindhya. It is known as a Sahyadris. Answer will be B. Answer will be B. Answer will be B. Okay. Now moving on the another question. Question number 19. The Eastern Ghat are dash. Eastern Ghat are dash. Continue, snow cover, discontinue, fold mountain. Eastern Ghat is continue, discontinue. It is will be discontinue. Answer will be C. Answer will be C. It is discontinue. Answer will be C. It is discontinue. Okay. Answer will be C. It will be discontinue. Let's see the answer. Okay. Answer will be C. It is discontinue. Let explain. It is discontinue. Okay. It is discontinue. Now moving on the another question. Question number 20. Which ghat are higher? Which ghat are higher? Which ghat are higher? Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat, both are equal known. Higher is knowing Western Ghat. The Western Ghat is higher. It is higher. It is higher. Okay. Now moving on the question number 21. What is given? The Nilgiri hill is joined to dash. The Nilgiri hill is joined to dash. The Nilgiri hill is joined to dash. What is given? The Himalaya and Aravalli, Western and Eastern Ghat, Vindhya and Satpura. It is answer will be B, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Moving on the question number 22. Which highest peak of the Nilgiri? Which highest peak of the Nilgiri? Which highest peak of the Nilgiri? Anaimudi, Dodabeta and Guru Shekhar, Mahendragiri. The highest peak is Dodabeta. The highest peak is Dodabeta. Answer will be B. Moving on the question number 23. What is given? 23. We will see here 23. Vindhya range list. Vindhya range list of dash. Vindhya range list of dash. Vindhya range list southern of Narmada, north of Narmada, east of Godavari, west of Krishna. It is list in north of Narmada. It is list in north of Narmada. Now moving on the question number 24. The Satpura range list. The Satpura range list. The Satpura range list north of Vindhya, south of Narmada, east of Aravalli, west of Ghat. It is south of Narmada. It is list south of Narmada. Now moving on the question number 25. The peninsula plateau slope towards dash. The peninsula plateau slope towards dash. The peninsula plateau slope towards west, north, east, south. It is slope to east. It is slope to east. Moving on the question number 26. The peninsular river drain into dash. The peninsular river drain into dash. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Red Sea. It is Bay of Bengal. Peninsular plateau is Bay. Most peninsula river are drain into Bay of Bengal. Now moving on the question number 27. What is given? Which river flow Western Ghat? Western Ghat flow river is knowing. You can see Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Kaveri. Answer will be C. Narmada is Western Ghat. It is Western Ghat, Narmada. Now moving on the question number 28. Which question number? Which river also flow westward? It is Mahanadi, Tapti, Godavari, Krishna. Mahanadi, Tapti. It is answer will be B. Tapti is flow westernwards. Now moving on the question number 29. The Godavari river is called a dash. The Godavari river is called a dash. River of gold, Dakshin Ganga, Red River, Scare. The Godavari also we know Dakshin Ganga. It is Dakshin Ganga. It is Dakshin Ganga. Okay, moving on the question number 30. What is given? The Kaveri river originates from dash. The Kaveri river originates from dash. Amarkant, Mahabaleshwar, Brahmagiri and Nilagiri. It is Brahmagiri. It originates from Brahmagiri. Now moving on the question number 31. The Narmada river originates from dash. Nilgiri Hills, Amarkant, Western Ghat, Vindhya. It is originated from Amarkant. It originated from Amarkant. Moving on the question number 32. The Tapti river empties into dash. Tapti. The Tapti river empties into dash. Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Gulf. It is Arabian Sea. It is Arabian Sea. Now moving on the 33 question. Which plateau is located in Karnataka? Which plateau is located? Malwa Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, Karnataka Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau. Answer will be C. Karnataka Plateau. Now moving on the 34 question. The Meghalaya Plateau is separate from the Peninsular Plateau by the dash. Narmada Rift, Garo Rift, Satpura Rift and Khyber Rift. That is Garo Rift. That is Garo Rift. Okay, answer will be B. Answer will be, that is Garo Rift. Answer will be B. Okay. Now moving on the question number 35. The Peninsula Plateau is surrounded by dash. The Peninsula Plateau surrounded by dash. Mountain only, coastal plain, desert plain, island plain. The Peninsula Plateau surrounded in the coastal plain. It is surrounded in the coastal plain. Which plateau? It is surrounded coastal plains. Okay. Moving on the question number 36. Which is not the Peninsula river? Which is not a Peninsula? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Brahmaputra. Which is not a Peninsula river? Which is not a Peninsula river? That is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is not a Peninsula river. Brahmaputra is not a Peninsula river. Now moving the 37 question. Western Ghat are received dash. Western Ghat are received dash. Very little rainfall, heavy written rainfall, snowfall, non-fall. Snowfall, non-fall. Answer will be B. Heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall. Okay. Now moving on the question number 38. Which ghat are lower in height? Which ghat in lower in height? That is Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, Nilgiris, Aravallis. Answer will be B. That is Eastern Ghat. That is Eastern Ghat. Moving on the question number 39. What is given? The Peninsular Plateau rich in dash. Petroleum only, mineral only, coral reefs only, natural gas only. It is repeated to be. Answer will be mineral. Peninsular Plateau is mineral. Now moving on the question number 40. Which mineral is abundant found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau? Which mineral? Coal, gold, coal, salt and diamond. Answer will be B. Coal. Chota Nagpur is, answer will be B. Okay. Now moving on the question number 41. The Deccan Plateau covers most of dash. The Deccan Plateau covers most of the dash. Deccan Plateau, northern India, southern India, eastern India, western India. The Deccan Plateau most cover in the southern India. That is covered in the southern India. Okay. Now moving on the question number 42. The Peninsular Plateau is dash. The Peninsular Plateau is dash. Fold mountain region, coastal plain, stable block and ancient crystal rock, delta. Answer will be C. It is the stable block of ancient crystal of rock. Now moving on the 43 question. Which state is not a part of Deccan Plateau? Which state is not? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Punjab. Answer will be Punjab. Okay, answer will be Punjab. Now moving on the question number 34. What is given here? The Malabar Plateau is mainly located in dash. Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Bihar. The Malabar Plateau is located in Madhya Pradesh. The Malabar Plateau is located in Madhya Pradesh. The Peninsula Plateau has mostly dash. Young mountain, round hill and broad valley, sand ice. It will be the peninsular plateau. It will be rounded hills and broad valley. It is a rounded hills and a broad valley. Now moving on the question number 45. Which hill station is located in Nilgiri? Nilgiri. It is Simla. It is Simla, Darjeeling, Ooty, Mussoorie. Answer will be Ooty C. Answer will be Ooty C. Now moving on the question number 47. The Peninsula Plateau is bordered by the Eastern Ghat on the Eastern Ghat. What is Western Ghat on the west? That is B. Answer will be B. That is west. Moving on the question number 48. What is given? The Eastern Ghat is run along with the Eastern Ghat run along with the Arabian Sea of coast, Bay of Bengal coast, Himalaya region. That is Bay of Bengal coast. That is Bay of Bengal coast. Now moving on the 49 question. Which plateau is called mineral store of India? Malwa Plateau, Karnataka Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau. Answer will be C. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Answer will be C. Now moving on the 50 number question. The Peninsula Plateau is important because it is rich in dense forest only, river only, mineral, black soil, agriculture resource, and coral reefs. It is C. Mineral, black soil, agriculture resource. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and I will hope you will be support to me to doing such type of work. And thanks once again. Thank you for all. Thank you.